Hello, good day viewers, welcome back once again. Today we have a very nice algebra problem. We're given x minus 1 over x equals 3. Here we're going to evaluate the expression x to the power of 5 minus 1 over x to the power of 5. Please take note of the following because I may not explain this again in this video, and it's very important. Whenever we have 1 over x to the power of n, please take note that this is same as 1 over x to the power of n. Okay, now let's proceed with the solution to this problem. Let us try expanding or multiplying the following: x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by x cubed minus 1 over x cubed. You know why? The sum of 2 and 3 is equal to 5. So I'm thinking that when we multiply this together, we must have this expression which we are asked to evaluate somewhere, right? And let's go ahead and do that. So from here, this equals x squared times x cubed will give us x to the power of 5. X squared times negative 1 over x cubed will give us negative 1 over x. Then over to the second term, so we have plus 1 over x squared times x cubed will give us x, right? And the 1 over x squared times negative 1 over x cubed will give us negative 1 over x to the power of 5. Okay, this is the reason why I'm trying to multiply this. So we can see that we have the expression we're asked to evaluate fixed somewhere, right? So let's put it together. We have x to the power of 5 minus 1 over x to the power of 5. And again, we have plus x minus 1 over x. And the most interesting part of this is that this expression here, x minus 1 over x, we exactly have the value here, right? So now we can make x to the power of 5 minus 1 over x to the power of 5 the subject, right? So we have here x to the power of 5 minus 1 over x to the power of 5 equals the product of this, x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by x cubed minus 1 over x cubed, then minus x minus 1 over x. Amazing. Okay, now what should we do next? We need to get the value of this expression here and also the value of this expression here. Now from the given equation, we have x plus, is that plus? Sorry, that's not plus. It's actually x minus 1 over x equals 3. Now let's go ahead and square both sides. From the left hand side, we'll be making use of this property: a minus b squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So from here, the first term squared will give us x squared plus the second term squared. Remember what I said earlier here, right? So that will give us 1 over x squared. Then we have minus 2 times x times 1 over x. X cancel 1 over x cancel x, right? Then we're left with 2, or we can put it here for clarification, right? And from here, 3 squared is 9. From here, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared minus, here, this cancel this. Then we have minus 2, this equals 9. And from here, we have that x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 9 plus 2, which is 11. Okay, now what about x cubed minus 1 over x cubed? Before finding the value of this, let us take note of the following: a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b cubed, then plus 3 times a times b into bracket a minus b. So what is this telling us? This is telling us that this x cubed minus 1 over x cubed, that we can, actually, 1 over x cubed, remember what I said earlier, when we have 1 over x all to the power of n, that is exactly equal to 1 over x to the power of n. So 1 over x cubed is still the same with 1 over x all cubed, right? So this is telling us that we can rewrite this as x minus 1 over x cubed plus 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 over x into bracket x minus 1 over x. And from here we have x cubed minus 1 over x cubed equals x minus 1 over x cubed. This will cancel this, and we have plus 3 into bracket x minus 1 over x. And from here, remember x minus 1 over x, the value is given as 3. So we have 3 cubed plus 3 multiplied by 3. And when you simplify this, this will give us 36, right? So from here, I think we can get the value of the expression. So we have x to the power of 5 minus 1 over x to the power of 5, which we factorized as, or which we rewrote as x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by x cubed minus 1 over x cubed, then minus x minus 1 over x. So from here, putting in the values, x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 11, right? Then multiply by the value for this, which is 36, and here we subtract the value of this, which is 3. From here, we get 396 minus 3, which will give us 393. And this is the right answer. Please, if you know you enjoy my video, please kindly subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Thank you for watching. Please see you in my next video. Bye bye.